3, 2, 1.
Your physician has ordered an electroencephalogram EEG, the graphic recording of the electrical activity of what organ? The answer is D, brain. Which fruit contains the most antioxidants per serving? The answer is A, blueberry. What is the basic unit of charge in physics? The answer is D, electron. Francis Ford Coppola co-directed the 1989 movie New York Stories together with what celebrated film director? The answer is C, Martin Scorsese. What kitchen tool has a round, flat bottom and a long handle? The answer is D, ladle. Which of the following is an example of an assistive device? The answer is A, contact lens. In which film did Christopher Plummer play Holmes? The answer is B, Murder by Decree. Who proposed that everything in the universe exerts a force of attraction on everything else? The answer is D, Newton. What is the state of matter characterized by a lack of distinct shape and volume? The answer is D, plasma. Who accused Hermione of having a thing for famous wizards in Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire? The answer is A, Rita Skeeter. Which movie won the most Oscars for Titanic? The answer is B, Best Director. What is a kettle used for in the kitchen? The answer is C, making tea. In the science fiction Soylent Green, who starred as Detective Robert Thorne? The answer is D, Charlton Heston. Which president wrote under the pseudonym Petros Stavropoulos? The answer is C, Gerald Ford. Streamlines are smooth and continuous when flow is laminar, but break up and mix when flow is what? The answer is A, turbulent. What is the hottest part of the computer? The answer is A, CPU. What type of character is Vincent Vega, portrayed by John Travolta in the 1994 movie Pulp Fiction? The answer is A, hitman. What is the only nation without a capital? The answer is A, Vatican City. A box filled with characters who live their lives right in front of your eyes. What is it? The answer is C, storybook. Which is not a creation of Alexander Bell? The answer is C. Telescope. What book is often referred to as the Great American Novel? The answer is B. The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. What is the largest known aircraft by wingspan? The answer is C. Spruce Goose. What mirrors diverge light rays and, thus, have a negative focal length? The answer is B. Convex. Which vehicle uses the Caterpillar track system? The answer is D. Bulldozer. What is telesophobia? The answer is D. Fear of being last. Who directed the film Inception? The answer is A. Christopher Nolan. What was the name of Jake LaMotta's wife in the movie Raging Bull? The answer is B. Vicky. What's the brightest star in the night sky? The answer is C. Mars. Discworld, the fictional planet on which Terry Pratchett's famous series of novels is set, is carried on the back of 4 great space elephants. What are the elephants standing on? The answer is A. A teuin, the star turtle. The stoichiometric coefficients indicate the relative amounts of what? The answer is B. Reactants and products. Who is the lead vocalist of the band Red Hot Chili Peppers? The answer is A. Anthony Kiedis. Who won the NBA championship in 2020? The answer is A. Lakers. Who plays Batman in Christopher Nolan's trilogy? The answer is B. Christian Bale. In which time zone is New York City located? The answer is C. Eastern Time Zone. What year did the Gilligan's Island series premiere on U.S. television? The answer is D. 1964. Who hosted the show Love Connection from 1983 to 1994? The answer is A. Chuck Woolery. When a wolf is buried, what will happen to other wolves? The answer is C. Less of them. What is the only planet in our solar system not named after a god? The answer is D. Mars. What do players use to hit a shuttlecock in badminton?
The answer is A. Racket.
A teacher mixes a small amount of salt in a glass of warm water and asks the students to observe physical changes that occur as the salt dissolves. Which physical change will they most likely observe? The answer is A. The solution will become clear. The term salt can refer to essentially any of what compounds? The answer is B. Ionic. What is the traditional footwear of Japan called? The answer is D. Sandals. What is the second moon of Mars named after? The answer is D. Phobos. What do you call the slope that forms the edge of the continent? The answer is B. The continental slope. All stars start forming in the same manner. Some follow the life cycle of the sun, while others turn into neutron stars or black holes. Which property determines the fate of a star as it develops? The answer is A. Mass. Which fruit is called the queen of fruits? The answer is A. Mango. What kind of compounds change color when bases come into contact with them, so they can be used to detect bases? The answer is D. Indicators. Which brand introduced the Levy's 501 genes? The answer is A. Diesel. In addition to glucose, what gas is used during cellular respiration? The answer is B. Oxygen. Who is the father of artificial intelligence?